Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix DirectX crashing error code 0x887A0005 in Call of Duty. So first, open your Steam and go to Library. And then right click on the Call of Duty. For example, this is the Call of Duty. Then go to Properties and Installed Files. After that, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So if you have a corrupted game file, it will fix it. And if that didn't work, it is basically a GPU issue. Based on my research, some of them have faulty GPUs, but the others only need to update their GPU drivers. So how to update it? Right click on the Windows icon and go to Device Manager. And here, go to Display Adapters, then click on your graphics drivers, right click on it, and click on Update Driver. After that, wait for it to be updated, and that's basically it.